All right, so I went ahead and I was gonna, do my first program, and I don't know if you guys struggled with this, is you immediately have a firmware needs to be upgraded. This is super easy to do, so I thought I'd just make a quick 2, 3 minute video, see if we can get everybody through it. If you have any problems with it, or if I do something that doesn't totally make sense, write me a comment so I can remake the video and do it better next time, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Automation Direct's website. So the same place where you downloaded the software, the productivity software that is, you're going to click again here, and then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see you have all your product firmware updates. We have a P1000, so we can go to this P1000 series, and you can download. I believe this very first one is the always going to be the newest one, and it's going to be the whole history. So I'm going to show you this when I actually get it in here. See, it looks like it's done. So I'm gonna go back my P1000. I'm just gonna say okay. It's not gonna let me do it. I'm gonna go over here to my CPU button. Right down here it says check/upgrade firmware. It's gonna be asking me a few questions. First one is if you're not connected, you can come in here and you can click and choose this one, but I'm already connected, so I shouldn't have this problem. Next thing is going to be to download this firmware update or this firmware. And then you can see it's bringing this up. We're going to go ahead and we're going to update. And I'm going to go ahead and speed this along a little bit. You need to make sure that this is in the stop mode. All right, so my firmware was upgraded successfully. Hit OK. I think we can just go ahead and close this. Go back to the upgrade process was done on one or more modules. The CPU and affected remote slaves need to be rebooted. Go ahead and hit the reboot system. Okay, so let's go ahead and go online. Download project. I think I'm probably going to need to hit. Cannot retrieve retentive tags for you. Do you want to continue without keeping the current retentive values? Yes. All right, so now we're online. Looks like everything is good to go. Just as a quick reminder of maybe some stuff that I forgot to say. Just a few things that I forgot to say. One, the hardest thing to find in this whole process is this tab right here. So if you can find that, you probably can figure out all the rest by yourself. The second thing is you do need to be in the stop mode to actually update the firmware. So if you're in the run mode and the upgrade button doesn't come up, make sure you just click it over and to the stop mode and everything should work great. So hope that helps you guys get up and running quick.